Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about my friend's Nerf guns. This Nerf gun now you can buy at Walmart. It's about $7. So now we have one. This one's about $5, but it came with two. So it's about like $12 with bullets. These two came two together. Each of them was $8. So in total,
$8 in
oh
total.
no, $8 in total for those two, so that means it's like $4 each. But it shoots really good, and it's really useful.
Okay, it's
Thanks.
chocolate.